Aristotle, 384–322 BC, was a towering figure in ancient Greek philosophy, making contributions that have shaped Western thought in nearly every field of inquiry, including ethics, metaphysics, politics, biology, and aesthetics. Born in Stagira, a small town on the northern coast of Greece, he was the son of Nicomachus, a physician to the Macedonian king Amyntas II, which likely influenced his later connections to the Macedonian court. Aristotle moved to Athens at about the age of 17 to study at Plato's academy, where he remained for nearly 2 decades as both a student and then a teacher. Though a student of Plato, Aristotle diverged from his mentor in significant ways, particularly in his approach to philosophy and science. While Plato emphasized forms and ideals, Aristotle focused on the empirical study of nature and the importance of observation and evidence in forming theories about the world. After his time in Athens, Aristotle spent several years studying and teaching in Asia Minor and on the island of Lesbos, where he conducted much of his biological research. He was then summoned to Macedon to serve as a tutor to Alexander the Great, a role that would make him one of the most influential educators in history. In 335 BC, Aristotle returned to Athens and founded his own school, the Lyceum. There he compiled extensive works, conducted research, and taught students in a peripatetic, walking manner. His lectures covered a wide array of subjects, from the sciences to philosophy and ethics, and his method of systematic observation and classification laid the groundwork for several scientific disciplines. Aristotle's works encompass a vast range of topics, and his writings on metaphysics, ethics, politics, drama, rhetoric, and logic have been studied continuously throughout history. His Nicomachean Ethics provides a detailed examination of virtue ethics, which has been foundational in the field of moral philosophy. His Politics examines human behavior in the context of society and governance. In science, his classifications of living things and observations on nature would stand for centuries. Aristotle's written works were substantial, covering a wide range of subjects including philosophy, science, logic, ethics, politics, and poetics. However, only about 1/3 of this original corpus is thought to have survived to the present day. Aristotle's writings were initially divided into 2 groups: the exoteric works intended for a broader audience, and the esoteric works, which were detailed lecture notes and texts for use within his school, the Lyceum. Despite the loss of much of Aristotle's writings, his surviving works have continued to be of paramount importance to Western philosophical traditions. His method of logical reasoning, known as syllogism, has influenced the development of Western logic, and his works remain a core part of the curriculum in philosophy, demonstrating his enduring legacy as one of the greatest thinkers in history.
If this story captured your heart or tickled your fancy, I warmly invite you to become a part of our storytelling family by subscribing. Together, we can embark on more enchanting journeys and share smiles along the way. Your support means the world.